Hello everybody, this is Riley. I happened to come across this recipe for chicken hearts and I'd always said to myself that maybe I should try it out. So today's that day. I went ahead and I bought these. I hope you enjoy. I think the one thing that I look for is first and foremost integrity. Integrity is the most important thing. Without integrity, nothing can be built, because when there is a lack of integrity, there's basically no trust. And without trust, I don't think anything can stand. So the one thing that I believe will sustain and keep relationships is integrity. Get you some integrity, the right people will come your way. Who is the one person who has played the most vital role in my life? I think the one person who has played the biggest role in my life, it has to be my mother. I think a lot of people have played a vital role in my life. A lot of people have come and deposited different minerals. Sometimes people can only give you what they can contain. So I think it's very important that we try to be fair when we are evaluating people's actions and people's intentions, because sometimes people want to do better but do not necessarily have the capacity to do better. Sometimes we expect too much of people.